QR codes are a great tool that can help people get information online by scanning the code with their phones. This video is part of a series of videos about my experience in self-publishing an augmented reality children and young adult novel. In my book, I wanted a way for the reader to connect with online content that related to the book. The easiest way I found to do that is to have QR codes in the book where the reader can scan and access content online. Originally, I used QR codes as a redundant way to access extra content online that was also available through augmented reality, but I decided to remove most of the QR codes from the final version of the book. I do find QR codes a valuable tool and would like to show you the best resource that I found for creating free QR codes. Now, if you aren't sure what a QR code is, it's this right here. Essentially, it's a series of boxes that, when scanned, convert this into digital information that can take the phone to a website. The QR code, you may have seen these around, can also look something like this. You can change the colors, you can change shapes, and you can change the design of the QR code. As long as it falls into certain guidelines, it will still work. Now, if you're curious more about how a QR code functions, you can go to Wikipedia and you can look up QR code. And it explains how a quick response code works, a little bit about the history, and also tells you how the code is actually functioning. This is beyond the scope of the video for today, but it's worth reading if you're interested in how it works. The best resource that I found for creating custom QR codes for free is QR Code Monkey. The way this website works is you enter in your content here. For example, if I wanted somebody to go to my website, I could type in www.sterlingteaches.com, and then I can choose specific colors. Maybe I have a favorite color that I like to use. I can simply come in here and I can choose the color that I want to put in. And then all I have to do is come over here, click on Create QR Code, and if you forget to put in the http:// it will gently remind you to put those in. Now I can go ahead and click Create QR Code, and you can see it has used the color that I have selected. I can change the QR code size to be much larger or much smaller depending on what you need it for. Once you have created the QR code, you can download a PNG, which can be used inside of programs like Microsoft Word, or if you're going to do some more custom editing, you could download an SVG, a PDF, or an EPS. These two, you will probably need specialized vector graphic editing software such as Adobe Illustrator to be able to modify them. Now you can do a lot more than just simply change the colors of the QR code. You can also add a logo inside here. Let's say I wanted people to go to my YouTube channel. I could add in here the YouTube logo. I can change my website. And then I can click on Create QR Code. And now you can see it has generated what I put in. Now, as you can see, the colors aren't that great. The red and the blue, it just doesn't seem to work well. Well, if you're not that great at design, they have some templates that they have designed for you. If you click QR Code Template, you can see here there's a number of different templates that you can try. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. And now, once I click Create QR Code, it will generate what I have here inside of this QR code. I can then download this and put it where it needs to go. You can customize your design by changing the shape of different features and aspects. Once you've done that, you simply click Create QR Code, and there you can see it changes the look and feel of the QR code. So you're not just stuck in using the simple default black and white QR code. You can do many variations to match how you want it to look. Now, if you do like this tool, they do have an option to donate and support them. I do think this is great that this is a free tool that's available to anyone, which is why I wanted to share it. As I mentioned earlier, this video is part of a series of videos where I talk about my adventure in self-publishing an augmented reality novel. This video series is leading up to the release of my book. If you're interested in self-publishing or just curious how the process works, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the videos as I continue to make them. My book will be released later this month. Leading up to it, I just wanted to show some of the things that I learned and the process that I went through in self-publishing an augmented reality book. If you are interested in obtaining my book and seeing how this works, it will be available on Amazon. The book is called Treasure Protectors Inc., a STEM fiction novel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.